Watch the leaked ads.
I cannot wait to watch the annoying ads.
Look, the city is under siege.
I hope my voice may perpetuate the great work of my life.
Stop screaming. Let's try this trade. The trade failed.
Why did the trade fail? This is a blockbuster trade. I like to inhale the air horn.
Halo alkane refrigerant. I was hooked on party time support horn. Wow. Do you think if we tried we could get Facebook parents worried that their children are abusing air horn? Thanks/air horn. I've dabbled with meth and heroin. The e-horn is the future of getting loud.
This horn is so powerful it makes me want to cut off me penis. This horn makes me want to cut off me penis.
Is that egg?
This sandwich make me want to cut off me penis.